Slow and steady wins the race. So I've got a lot of climbing to do.